We're reporting on an accident. It's a tempo traveller that has fallen into a gorge in Uttarakhand. 10 people dead in the Rudraprayag accident. 16 people have been injured is what we understand. Admitted to hospital, 7 injured, airlifted to AIIMS Rishikesh. 9 admitted to Rudraprayag District Hospital. In fact, these are pictures coming in from the location where this horrific accident has taken place and 16 people have been injured, with a tempo traveller falling into a gorge in Uttarakhand. 10 people have died in this accident in Rudraprayag. I'm going to go straight across to Ankit for more on that. Ankit, what really happened here? Get us the details, also a sense of how the injured are doing at this point in time. Pictures are from Rudraprayag in Uttarakhand, where a tempo traveller fell into a gorge. And 10 people died instantly in this horrific accident. Pictures on your screens right now. More than 16 people have been injured, 9 admitted to Rudraprayag District Hospital, where 7 other injured have been airlifted to AIIMS in Rishikesh. Nine have been admitted to Rudraprayag District Hospital. We have sketchy details at this point in time. And what we know is that 10 people unfortunately have succumbed to their injuries in that accident that has taken place in Rudraprayag. 16 people have been injured and admitted to the hospital. 7 in AIIMS Rishikesh and 9 have been taken to the district hospital in Rudraprayag.
ये वाहन दिल्ली से आ रहा था यात्रा के लिए। ये बद्रीनाथ और केदारनाथ जाना था जिसने, और सुबह लगभग 11:25 पे रैतौली के पास यह अनियंत्रित होकर के नदी में गिर गया, जो कि 300 मीटर के लगभग खाई में गिरा था। और इसमें 26 लोग सवार थे, जिसमें कि अभी तक 16 लोगों का रेस्क्यू कर लिया गया, जिसमें 7 लोग जो गंभीर घायल थे उन्हें हायर सेंटर हेली एम्बुलेंस द्वारा भेज दिया गया। 9 यात्रियों का उपचार वहां पे चल रहा है जिला चिकित्सालय में, और 10 लोग यहाँ पे अभी जो ऑन स्पॉट पे हैं और उनका रेस्क्यू चल रहा है।
Ankit is in fact getting us more details on that story, joining us live at this point in time. Ankit, what more can you tell us about the injured here? How are they doing at this point in time? How did this accident happen? What are the initial details?
Well, this heart-wrenching accident has left everyone in shock right now, and the latest update coming from Rudraprayag is about the rescue operations. 10 people are feared dead, and 9 people are being treated in Rudraprayag District Hospital, wherein 7 people were airlifted because they were serious injuries, and to treat them as soon as possible with immediate effect they were taken to AIIMS Rishikesh. The rescue operation are still on, so that the numbers are being counted, and the administration wants to ensure that there were 26 people or there are more which are either droned or being taken away in the river. So right now the administration is still there and the rescue operations are still on. These people were coming from NCR area, and some people were from Ghaziabad and were traveling to Badrinath, wherein at 11:30 a.m. today the accident took place on Rishikesh Badrinath highway, just 3 kilometers before Rudraprayag in Rentoli area. Sneha.
Ankit Sharma getting us those details, joining us live right now from Dehradun for the very latest on that accident in Rudraprayag in Uttarakhand. I'm going to thank you for the moment.